Hi my respected friends, today is the video for Mahzooz draw prediction. It is drawing on 5th November 2022. In this video I will give you my 16 powerful numbers out of 49. In my previous video I gave you the best pattern for this draw. Now my powerful numbers. Please look at carefully. Friends, from 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers, powerful numbers. From 1 to 9, 1, 6 and 9. From 10 to 19 I have 4 numbers, 10 to 19, 4 numbers 11, 12, 13 and 19. From 20 to 29 I have 3 numbers, 20, 25 and 26. From 30 to 39 I have also 3 numbers, 30, 31 and 35. In last, from 40 to 49, 3 numbers, 42, 45 and 47. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. Any number you like you can choose. If you don't like you can leave it. Okay friends, these numbers has powerful chances for this draw. You should select your maximum numbers as I told you in my previous video, from 1 to 29. You should select your maximum numbers according to the routines from 1 to 29. You should select 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. If the number repeat from previous result is, if you want to play the repeated number from previous result 4, 7, 15, 40 and 46. This is the previous result. If you want to play repeated number from this result, then 4 and 15. These numbers has chances can repeat. Okay friends, this is my overall prediction for our upcoming draw. The powerful pattern for this draw I already uploaded in my previous video. You should must see that video, and after that you can select any numbers you like from here. Okay friends, so in the end, good luck to all and goodbye.